Breast pain is one of the most common health concerns among women. Many women silently worry, is this normal? Is this cancer? Should I see a doctor? The truth is, most breast pain is not dangerous, but sometimes it can signal an important medical condition. In this video, we will clearly understand when breast pain is normal and when it requires medical attention. Breast pain, medically called mastalgia, refers to discomfort, heaviness, tenderness, burning sensation, or sharp pain in one or both breasts. Almost 70 to 80% of women experience breast pain at some point in their lives. So first, do not panic. Breast pain alone rarely indicates cancer. But understanding the type of pain is very important. Type 1, hormonal or cyclical breast pain. This is the most common type. It is a link to hormonal changes during the menstrual cycle. Typical features include pain appearing before periods, both breasts affected, feeling of heaviness or swelling, pain reducing after menstruation begins. Why does this happen? Hormones like estrogen and progesterone cause breast tissue to retain fluid and become sensitive. This type of pain is usually normal and not dangerous. Lifestyle steps that help: wearing a supportive bra, reducing caffeine intake, regular exercise, stress control. Type 2, non-cyclical breast pain. This pain is not related to menstrual cycles. It may occur in one breast or one specific area. Common causes include muscle strain from chest wall, breast cysts, injury, large breast size causing ligament stress, hormonal medications. Sometimes the pain actually comes from chest muscles or ribs but feels like breast pain. If pain persists, medical evaluation is recommended. When should women worry? Breast pain needs medical consultation if you notice a new lump in the breast, pain only on one side lasting weeks, nipple discharge, especially bloody discharge, skin changes, redness, dimpling or thickening, swelling without menstrual relation, fever with breast pain, sudden severe localized pain. Remember, breast cancer usually presents as a painless lump, but any unusual symptom must be checked early because early evaluation saves lives. Common non-cancer causes. Many harmless conditions cause breast pain: fibrosis, breast changes, hormonal imbalance, pregnancy-related changes, breastfeeding inflammation, ill-fitting bras, stress and anxiety. Most of these conditions are treatable. Breast self-awareness. Every woman should become familiar with her own breast anatomy. Once every month, observe in front of a mirror. Check for shape changes. Feel gently for lumps. Notice a skin or nipple changes. The goal is not fear but awareness. Knowing what is normal for your body helps detect problems early. Important message for women. Breast pain does not automatically mean cancer, but ignoring persistent symptoms is also not wise. Listen to your body. Seeking medical advice early is a sign of strength, not fear. So, when should women worry about breast pain? Not when pain follows normal hormonal cycles, but definitely when pain becomes persistent, unusual, localized, or associated with other warning signs. Health awareness protects not only individuals but families and communities. If this video helped you understand breast health better, Share it with mothers, sisters, daughters, and friends. Subscribe for more science-based women's health education because informed women make healthier societies. Thanks for watching.